Very tasty. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my third vlog. I have come to practice the English. So today what I will show you and how to I will practice. Without practice I cannot speak, okay? So practice makes perfect. So you have to practice if you don't know English, okay? So whatever I will show and you have to know that name, okay? This is P. P, do you know P? That is mother, okay? I will show one seed, one fruit, okay? Wait a few seconds. Just I couldn't able to catch. Already we plugged in all the piece, and now already it is finished. So some are there. I am searching them. If I get if there is possible, and mouse, so mouse also eating all the piece. So I got one. So now I am eating this one. Okay, so tasty. Piece is so tasty. You can use this one. We just are eating this one also. And very good. We planted many things in here. Only peas are there. Peas plants are there, and that side potato is there. Could you see? Okay. And now I am going to show the cabbage and cauliflower and tomato and potato. If you want to learn English, bro, you should have practice. Otherwise, no option to learn English. Okay. Here there is a, there are tomatoes plants. Okay. They already started to come out to fruit. Okay. They will fruit nicely and we will pluck it and will eat. Could you see? You couldn't able to see because there is no potatoes. Okay. And the plants are there. And here we already we dug the potatoes and here we couldn't able to finish, so therefore tomorrow we will finish it. So this one also we are using, this is also very sweet. Okay, whenever you are eating this one you feel very nice and very sweet. And when you buy in market, no, don't eat this one because they put poison and so this is a pure one, no, that is why I use, otherwise I do not use. Here what is this is cauliflower here. This is also not started to come out the flowers. Okay. Namely cauliflower was not started. And here onions, here onions are there. And we will replant this one. And here radish. Could you see radish and what is this? Name I forgot. Cabbage. That is there is cauliflower and here cabbage. Okay. You understood? Those who don't want to learn English, please skip it. And those who want to learn English, please watch nicely and learn English with me. And I am also learning, you also learn. Already I learned, but this day I am not practicing, so for me little difficult to speak. Now nobody is with me, no, to speak English. Here there also tomato is there. Tomato plants are there, okay. And here guava. One guava is there. I will pluck it and I will eat. Here is guava. I will eat this one. I think this is not good, but we'll just do not afraid of the kind of dangerous. And I also do not afraid. Nothing will happen. Guava also very tasty. This vlog. If you don't like, please skip it. If you like, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And what I show you, anything here, no? So, if you want to learn English, bro, you should have to practice. And there is no option to learn English. If you do not practice, no, you will not learn anything. Before I was practicing, this day I am not practicing. Mm, about 2 3 months. So I forgot all the words. Automatically forgot if you do not speak. Here nobody is here, no, in village. So and there is well. See, you couldn't able to see water. There is dark little. And could you see? That is well, okay. And now I will take the water for using to wash the hand and leg. And what I will show, bro. And there is a what that banana plants, okay. Brother, again I am telling you, if you do not practice, no, you will not learn anything. You should have to practice. Otherwise, no option to learn English. This is my promise. If you want to learn English, you should have no verbs and how to read. If you don't know, comment it. I will teach you how to read, how to write, and how to speak with others. Listen and carefully. First, you have to in my video, no, in my video, all my video, I am telling that word only. You should have to listen. Otherwise, if you do not listen, you will not learn anything. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Take care, all of you. Wind up my vlog video.